Hey everyone, I'm going to go through the install of the Bxpanded thumb. We'll use this old chair to support the bucket. I'll take the weight off of it. Maybe that'll work. Got a 9/16 bolt I got to take out first. Got that out. Now I need to take this pin out. That was pretty easy. I need to put the inner tube inside the outer tube. Put a pin in. Now attach this to the boom. Hand tight for now. Ow, for the thumb. That's kind of awkward. Like for the moment, I will put in the bottom bolt. Temporarily. And install the bucket pin. Guess I'll take this back out for a minute. Had that in the wrong place. There we go. Definitely would be easier with two people. Nice. Awesome. Even the retaining bolt lined up just right. There we go. Top bolt is 1 1/8 inches is what tightens that up. Got a lock nut on there, so it doesn't have to be crazy tight. Last thing I gotta do now Just grease it up. It's easy if you have the extended Lock-n-Lube coupler. Alright, that's coming through. And then I need to verify that the jaw will move. Got a little leftover dirt in there.
May not look like it, but at that point the thumb actually clears the boom, so there is no interference there.
Alright, that's a wrap.
Normally I would just use some forks here, but since the thumb was brand new, I just wanted to play with it. So enjoy the next few minutes.